Bahamas are beautiful this time of year, let me tell you. Hey, I want to welcome you back to our 10th episode of Fireside Chats here at Jim Werning Chevrolet. Today we'd like to let you know the advantages you receive when servicing your vehicle here at the dealership. When you visit our Quick Lube or service lane, we always do a complimentary multi-point vehicle inspection, or what you hear most commonly, an MPVI. What exactly is an MPVI, you might say? Well, I'm glad you asked. A multi-point vehicle inspection is a thorough assessment of your vehicle by a certified service expert. They check your oil life, tire wear, wiper blade and windshield condition, fluid levels, brake life, and battery condition and connections. If there's anything on your vehicle that is not safe or could hinder your driving ability, we want to make sure that you're able to get it fixed and that you're aware of it. If perhaps you do need something repaired on your vehicle and you decide to leave it with us in the service lane, you can take one of our courtesy transportation units, or as some people refer to them, a demo. These are brand new vehicles fresh off the lot that we are able to extend to you free of charge while your vehicle is here for repairs. We normally have around 25 units ranging from our most popular Equinox and Silverado to Tahoes, Traverses, and even the all-new Blazer. Don't waste money on a rental when you can service with us and have reliable transportation while your vehicle is being worked on by our certified professionals. Until next time, did you know that the city of Los Angeles has 3 times more automobiles than it does people?
We hope that you're enjoying these videos as much as we are. If you are, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Is there a topic that you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments down below. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss an episode.